Alright, hey guys, Joe the Auto Guy here. So quick thing, a lot of people have asked me, I'm also doing the Subaru right now. Doing engine removal. So a lot of people ask me, what does it take to remove the fuel lines? People press on them, do everything else. I have a metal 5/16 fuel line disconnect. And the trick is, you actually only use one half of it. You don't use both. So to show you, we have the fuel line connected. That does not just come off. If you look close, there's a couple little push tabs here, or like notches. You want to make sure those are facing up. So, to remove, it, you can see I'm just taking half the tool. We're going to put it in. Insert it in and push back a little bit. Again, this is a 5/16. Once you get it back in there, trying to do this so you guys can see it, pull back on the fuel line. Now, if it doesn't go, push forward and do it again. You just gotta get it back. And it pops off. No, whoop. Now, one half the tool is all you need for that. Just use half. That's all you gotta do. And then that thing will come right off. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you. And subscribe for a lot more like this one. And you also get to see my Daily Driver Subaru project.